Kaya napakahalaga sa pagsasama ng dalawang ito, ang binubuo nilang tahanan, yung pinaka-pundasyon, tiwala. Ano man ang mangyari, malayo man si Bray, malayo man si Tep-Tep, ang importante, may tiwala sila sa isa't isa. Bray and Step, ipakita ninyo sa mundo na tunay ang pagmamahalan sa daigdig na ito at ang pag-ibig na yan ay posible kapag kasama ninyo ang Diyos.
Nagsimula sa crush. A year passed, it was unexpected na nagkapalagayan ng loob, nagkaligawan, hanggang sa namuo ang pagmamahalan.
People think of you differently, pero iba pagkakakilala ko sa'yo. You showed me who you truly are. You treated me with respect, made me feel valued, and proved to me what a real gentleman looks like. I never expected that behind all that confidence was someone so gentle, caring, and kind.
Up in the clouds.
Seeing you first thing in the morning is better than a good coffee. Your love is more than enough to ease those worries and fears. Thank you for saving me from my old me and for pushing me to be me who I am today.
In my heart, I'll hold you close.
Bri, thank you for always understanding me, for staying beside me during difficult moments, for loving me even at my worst. Today, I stand here grateful that love surprised me in the best way possible. I promise to support you, to believe in you, and to choose you every single day. I promise to celebrate your victories, comfort you in hard times, and never stop growing with you.
I'm who I am because of you, and I need to tell you now. This moment may be all we have, all we have, all we have.
Bri, alam ko kung gaano ka special sa iyo si Nanay at Tatay. And even though they can't be here physically on our special day, I know their love, your presence will always be with you. I know they would be so proud of the man you've become, and I'm sure they're smiling down on you today. I love you. See you later.
But when I do, I hope you know that you'll be forever loved. You knowing that is all I want, all I want.
I promise you will never be alone. You will always have me by your side, and you will never have to fight your own battles alone. We will be together, making sure you're always healthy. Tatanda tayo together, ha? Huwag mo kong iiwan.
I look in your eyes, all that I see is your love looking back. Well, maybe my bad luck and karma gave up when they
No
saw
matter
you.
what happens,
These angels
hindi ako
like you
panghinaan
can't
ng loob
hide.
para sa pamilya natin.
So
I will do anything with all of me to protect this family. I will be forever faithful and honest to this relationship, no matter how far or close.
Heaven is here in my arms, and you are the answer. You're all that I've asked for, and I knew it right from the start. Yeah, you're everything right. you're the love of my life, forever my light in the dark. Darling,
I am very lucky to spend lifetime with you. Mahal na mahal kita, Steph. Mula umpisa hanggang sa aking huling hininga. Pipiliin kita araw-araw at ikaw lang gusto ko panghabang buhay.
what
I
did
love you,
do
Stephanie
to
A.
find
Cuarzo,
someone like you?
baby,
Oh, I don't
my
deserve
wife,
all the love
and my
that
always.
you give. 'Cause I'm just a vagrant, a difficult type. You're selfless in nature, you're one of a kind.
Bri,
I'm gonna
thank you for loving me from the very beginning, even when I couldn't yet see what would we become. Now, I cannot imagine my life without you. I can wait to see what the future holds for us. Bri, you are the person I choose to spend forever with as my true soulmate. I chose you in 2019. I choose you today, and I will continue choosing you forever. I love you, and I can wait to spend forever with you.
Darling, you are the good.
Once you decide to enter into marriage, siguraduhin po na isa lang. Kaya napakahalaga yung pag-aasawa na ang partner may tiwala sa kanya dahil sa pagmamahal na yon at ang partner na ito ay marunong gumawa ng kabutihan. Sana makita namin kayo hanggang kasama ninyo ang inyong mga apo. Yan ang pinakamaganda sa lahat.
You are the answer, you're all that I've asked for, and I knew it right from the start. You're everything right, you're the love of my life, forever my light in the dark.
May now kiss your bride.
Darling, you are the good part. Yeah, the good part. Ding-a-ling, ding-a-ling, ding-a-ling.
Love is not real if you don't feel. Ding-a-ling, yeah, 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 from your head to your heel. Oh, if she treats you right, every night you'll feel a ding-a-ling, yeah, yeah, yeah. You'll feel a ding-a-ling, yeah. Let me tell you about what you can't do without. Ding-a-ling.
May this day be the beginning of a beautiful journey filled with love, laughter, good health, endless blessings for the bride and groom. Once again, congratulations to the happy couple. And thank you, and both of you, I love you very, very much.
Congratulations on tying the knot. Today made the best journey you have. Batitep, walang mababago. Maliban lang sa pagpalit mo ng apelyido. At ang apelyido na yan ay pakaingatan mo.
Tonight, the bouquet is to honor my beautiful mama, Farida, and my new beautiful mama, Rose. I am truly grateful for your kindness, guidance, and support. Maraming salamat sa pagpapalaki sa isang mabait, responsable at mapagmahal na tao. Dahil po sa inyo, naging masaya at buo ang araw na ito para sa amin. I pray for more happy memories together as one family. Thank you for accepting me and loving me.
The way you walk in the room, it's a wildfire glow. Heartbeats drumming like a rhythm only we both know. Your silhouette moving closer like you're pulling me in. Every second with you feels like a brand new spin. Everybody's talking, but I'm lost in your eyes.
Mahal ka namin. Mahal namin kayo. I hope you choose each other every day. Because at the end of the day, you only have each other. So you always have to choose each other. Lagi kayo ang magkakampi. Moving forward.
Keep the laughter together, keep growing together, and always be each other's safe place. And finally, to everyone here tonight, please raise your glasses to love, laughter, and a lifetime of happiness for Step and Brian. Cheers, everyone.
The gravity pulling every part of me. I'm falling and I love the way I crash into you. Baby, your energy feels like a melody, stuck inside my head like we're already a tune. I don't need a sign, it's true. I'm moving like gravity.
To the moms who care and the parents who cared for their beautiful son and their beautiful daughter, congratulations, maraming salamat sa pagpapalaki ng maayos ng inyong mga anak. Again, wishing you the best of life. God bless.
Thank you for coming. Kahit umulan kanina, yung mga galing pang malayo. Thank you. Na-appreciate namin ni Bri. Sa family namin ni Bri, thank you so much for everything. Kung hindi dahil sa inyo, hindi din mangyayari ito.
Sa lahat ng mga nag-effort, maraming salamat po sa inyong lahat. And sa mga pumunta na galing sa malayo, maraming salamat. And also, I would like to thank my both grandparents for raising me as a good kid. I'm really sure if they're here, they're gonna sobrang masaya sila. And sa mga suppliers and sa lahat ng crew dito sa mga staff, maraming salamat po sa inyong lahat.